little piece, like maybe quarter. If like we go right, somebody WhatsApp me. If we go like right there, so it will be half of the pole. But this pretty
over
bad
there, so
one.
them brother when I later the push stroller.
Yeah, that me say. If we go like around there, so yeah, like down there, so.
Lady push the stroller halfway.
Like yeah, see the lady pushing the stroller. Right here, so it will be like half of the pole. And down there, so are the kids part. The kids section. So we go for a room right now. If we go charge my phone and Andre go use him other phone, charge up in other phone also. Come on. So no go just walk along with me with us at least. But the pool nice, oh my god. We'll go down there later by the way. We just need to change. Oh yeah, I want a restaurant there right there, so we not even make the reservation for tonight. Oh, we'll go call and make it. But just look on the view. Oh my god. Can't put it if you alone sell for the money, like it's just nice. So a restaurant right there, so while you have your dinner or what's it not, you can get the beautiful view there. So if you don't want to walk around, them have like I think 11 or 12 restaurants supposed to. Okay, this is the next side of the pool. The next side. Cause boy, show them. Look, see? This is the next side. So you would have like walk from around Mashono, come around here, so this would be the next vlog. I will vlog the next side of the pool. Is it you my vlog a lot? My battery. Hey CC. Say hi to CC.
Hi CC.
The phone here don't keep charge for some reason. I don't know. But the pool, oh CC, maybe you never in here tried someone show you the pool. This is the one side of the pool. But if you go like round here, so it's like half, like around this side is half of the pool. Here says the next side, you have a next side looking just like this, where you have like bed, like this. Let me zoom in. Like you have the beach bed, like you can see the girl right there, so you have a lot of beach bed and other beach bed right there. So yeah, the pool nice. We actually go into the pool looking from now, but because my phone battery, my phone they keep charged for some reason, so that's why. But the hotel big. We can take the the taxi thing.
Oh, the little cabin there.
The little buggy golf cart thing. The worst thing when we come out of our room. Nandi, I saw you go on. You know Nandi, but Andre fat. See Nandi and I chat off your face. But you're fat. I saw you go on that day. Nandi, I think you're easy. But Andre fat. When me leave here, so I push them, go push me now a wheelbarrow. Oh yeah, see some of them there. But we can take our room, but we never end up getting none. When we come out, they ever gone. No, small one there. Thanks. Wait, oh yeah, pass here, so. But me don't want to show them like down there, so. Alright, I'm go this side. Last night we watched Michael Jackson live. downstairs. It is nice. Showing right here, so. Girl, the amount of food they here so. So when I did come my hotel, I say, I go eat a lot because I eat my money's worth and all of this stuff there. And when I see food, you're not even have the appetite to eat when you see food, because you see the them have like buffet in the market most of the time. Thanks CC. Them have buffet style. Them have one bar, sports bar, where open 24 hours, so you can go there anytime go eat. And room service close. No, room service open 11 to 11. And at the night, so you can call. Remember, say it's all inclusive, you know, so you can get everything is free. Drinks, food, like, oh God, whatever food. Can't eat a lot of food. Like they asked for my birthday, and when I say yes, they not tell me nothing, you know, then just say alright, and they ask me my name. And then I sit down there eat. And I see, this I will always take. I see some girls, some staff member come and sing happy birthday, hear me? Oh shit. Cause I always, you know, I kind of shy a little bit. So, yeah. Yeah, out here nice. And the room them, oh God, the room nice. The only downfall I hate walk. I should take the buggy they were just passing, you know. Them have different section, by the way. Them have side and what the other side name?
The same thing.
No, them have a Jamaican side and a next side. Lady something another side, but a two side them have on the hotel. So you can stay at the Jamaican side or you can stay at the other side. We did book for stay at the Jamaican side.
It's easier. That's always easier. First walking. Good distance.
Yeah. The Jamaica, you can stay at the Jamaican side or you can stay at the other lady side. I'm going to show you in our room, but it's kind of messy, so I want to pull over this. Who nasty? No way. Hey, vlog with me and talk is alive.
You go on there.
Why?
Nandi fat shame.
Nandi Andre say fat shame him.
Look at my belly get flat.
Oh, the password we take shot, you know.
Yeah.
Then this side. Go show the room.
Oh shit.
You and you say I couldn't find it.
By the time I reach this, what I do?
No, you would have find it. You wouldn't find it, by the way.
Yeah, they
Room the master. Yeah, them my nails me do coffin box. No food.
Nah, it was good.
I want to watch him figure out what they do. No.
No.
Set the key the other way.
So?
Turn it around. Turn it around.
Your turn.
Turn around the key.
Also?
Yeah.
No, you're mad. What kind of somebody do assist me?
Let me try.
You know, see, I run over there. We have one more step for that.
Well, wait. No, wait, me gonna laugh. Me can't pass this for laugh. Wait. No, Andre. Oh, wait. Andre, wait. Let's see how rock group we go. No, honestly, let's see how rock group we go. No, don't laugh. This is not funny. This seriously, it's so funny. Me tell Andre say him said the key wrong. Andre said, he said, oh, you can't. Me tell Andre say, cause he step them too much.
Actually, I step them mix me up.
Yeah. Yeah, I will say.
Yeah, respect.
Oh, I toothpaste that.
Yeah.
You step them too much, so you understand? We'll just couldn't deal. Oh, and me go wear this today. Nandi, you see this already, because I'm a dress. I'm a get make, so. I'll show you the bathroom and what the place dirty, so. I understand. So I show her. The place dirty, so I'm not saying nothing. And this I flat iron brush. I tell them so I use it often, you know. I use enough. Because I use this to put on your makeup. This I zoom in for your face. Way up, look. Zoom in so you can see your pores. Andre use this, I'm gonna use it. Yet at least. Andre not see up the place, not me. Andre not see up the place, not me. Alright, you see because it's all inclusive, so you can take any amount of food you want and all of them stuff there. And then give one fridge. And juice them. Put it, juice them inside. And the view out here, so. We can't believe we got the wrong room. I joke this. Joke this. Let's see here. Them have one gym here, so we can use the gym too as well. And the pool, there we go. I go got the pool there. Me say we did it the swipe key. Where I said the room now work. I see him say we do yesterday when we come now. You step, you know. You step too much. So we got the wrong place. And that's what I look up to. And that's what I do live, so I now think. So I just figure so when I come up the first step, I just eat. But out here so nice. And the people them, the staff them out here. Nice. But let me tell you what I like though. Would I like come out here with somebody or even 3 persons we like love food. We like love food, we love eat. Cause me I tell you, food out here so like dirt. And most of the staff them say if you just don't watch nothing, just eat anything. If you see something and you want to taste it, just order it and taste it. Or if you don't get and go eat off, you just eat as much as you want. Because you can't eat that much. The pool there. There we'll go right now. So yeah, it plays nice and my battery is dead. My phone just tell me something I have 5%. So I'm gonna go charge my phone. So thank you guys for watching. And Nandi, you need when we finish I'm gonna call up on WhatsApp because you know we need to have a convo. So bye.